Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DST suitability with Forge Capital, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify DST suitability with Forge Capital, begin by visiting the Forge Capital website. Locate the section dedicated to DST investments. Review the information provided about DST structures and what they entail. Gather your financial documents and investment goals to assess your readiness for a DST. Use the site suitability calculator, if available, to estimate your eligibility. Fill in your basic financial details as prompted by the tool. Make sure to check your income, net worth, and investment experience. Once you input your information, click on the Calculate or Submit button. Analyze the results provided to understand your DST suitability. If the calculator indicates potential suitability, move on to the next step. Contact Forge Capital directly for more personalized guidance. Prepare a list of questions regarding specific DST offerings. Discuss your financial situation openly with the Forge Capital representative. Request detailed information on the various DST properties available for investment. Examine the risks associated with each DST investment discussed. Consider requesting a sample investment prospectus for further review. After gathering all necessary information, reflect on your initial investment goals. Decide if a DST investment aligns with your financial strategy. If you feel confident, ask Forge Capital about the next steps to initiate the investment process. Review any agreements or contracts carefully before signing. Once you commit to a DST, maintain ongoing communication with Forge Capital for updates. Monitor your investment performance regularly, and reassess your goals as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.